Bitcoin is more a substitute for gold than the dollar, Fed Chair Powell. While Bitcoin, BTC, is too volatile to be money and backed by nothing, it could be a substitute for gold, says the chair of the United States Federal Reserve. Speaking at an event hosted by the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, on March 22, Jerome Powell delivered frank comments in response to a question on cryptocurrency. Powell takes issue with Bitcoin's backi. Asked whether he thought Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies posed a threat to financial stability, Powell wheeled out familiar arguments that long come from legacy finance figures. Cryptoassets, we call them cryptoassets, they're highly volatile, see Bitcoin, and therefore not really useful as a store of value, and they're not backed by anything, he said. They're more of an asset for speculation, so they're not particularly in use as a means of payment. It's more a speculative asset, it's essentially a substitute for gold rather than for the dollar. Powell's words provide some of the most direct Fed opinion on Bitcoin to go public in recent times and build on a perspective offered in 2019. They also come weeks after incoming Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen made her misgivings about decentralized cryptocurrencies clear. As with Yellen, Powell appeared to spark a burst of negative market sentiment, with BTC United States dollar dropping by almost $1,000 following his response. BTC United States dollar 1-hour candle chart, Bitstamp. Source: TradingView. For all their disagreements, however, Powell and Bitcoin's biggest proponents thus agree on the cryptocurrency's status as a new form of gold. The verdict could hit home hard for gold bugs hostile to Bitcoin, notably Peter Schiff, who continues to claim that fate is on his side when it comes to generational stores of value. Fiat has public benefit in mind. Together with BIS General Manager Augustin Carstens and Jens Weidmann, president of the German Federal Bank, Powell also looked at stablecoins as they relate to the ongoing trend of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Here, the talk was less unusual, with the speakers repeating known stances involving the separation of private stablecoins and bank-operated CBDCs. To the extent a stablecoin is backed by sovereign currencies of leading nations, that's certainly an improvement over cryptoassets, I would say, Powell continued. But nonetheless, where's the credibility come from? It comes from that sovereign currency that is the backstop. Fiat currencies, he said, are issued with the benefit of the public in mind, while emphasizing that stablecoins will not serve as the basis for the global financial system in the future. Published at Mon, 22 Mar 2021 14:04 and 15 seconds +0000